Yep, I'm in a horse farm today. Wow, that's a beautiful house. I think there are three, but this is getting closer to me. Yes, I get a close shot. Oh my God, it's a horse farm, man. Yeah. Hi, how are you? Can I talk to the horse? Oh my God, it's so nice. Mm. Oh, I could see. Yeah, let me stand here. Yeah. Wow. Came to the horse farm today. And that was a beautiful horse. You see? The riding center. This is Boyds, and this area appears to be farming area, and most of the farmers they have like horses, cows, goats, sheep. Those are the farming they do here, and they are in an area close to Clarksburg, and this side is called Boyds. It's also close to Germantown. They share the same border as Clarksburg. So I'm in the farming sector of this beautiful city, and I came across a farm where they have horses here, and I was able to get closer to one horse. The rest were all far away from where I was, and there was a gate you can't enter, and the owner was not there, so I asked somebody who is a neighbor, and then she was like, oh yeah, you can go closer and then take a video, and I did that. Very interesting. I like to find time and then come personally to see the owner and see if I can get more close shots. And at least I was able to get 3, but 2 were a bit far from where my location was. So this is a very nice area, and it's also another quiet neighborhood, and this appears to be more quiet than Germantown. If you check my last videos, you can see another farm on my right side, and these are sheep. If you watch my last video, I visited a quiet neighborhood in Germantown, and somebody called me and said, hey, are people living in that area? I said, yes, people live there. Then he was like, this is special. Why are they not willing to talk to each other? I said, all of them are in their room. That is how they were trained, so you can't take it away from them. It is their beautiful character. Yeah. All right, if you just joined us, this is African Citizens TV channel. Please subscribe to this channel. We are hoping to hit 5,000. We want to hit 5,000 subscribers, and we need your support. Also, try and click the notification bell. As soon as I drop any video, you will be able to see. Most of the videos will be based on traveling, and sometimes will be at interesting places where we will be able to show you things that you have no idea this is in America. Once again, I am your driver, I am your host, I am your trained man. Please be part of this family. Let's enjoy the fun by watching interesting places in America, and I hope one day personally I'll be in your area and I'll be filming together with you. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.